Hi everyone, welcome back in another episode from Easy 5 Minutes. Today I am gonna show you this. One of the first things you need when you start a business is a logo that represents your company and brand. For many entrepreneurs starting out with limited resources and lacking design experience, this is a big challenge. They are making this process easier with Hatchful, a cross-platform app now available across iOS, Android, and desktop browsers that helps entrepreneurs create beautiful graphic assets on demand. After you answer a few questions about your business, Hatchful serves up hundreds of pre-designed logos. Users can then make adjustments including changes to fonts, icons, color palettes and more to further personalize their designs. Best of all, you don't have to have any graphic design experience to create a business logo. With Hatchful you can save time and money. That's it guys for today. I hope you enjoyed. See you guys very soon, later.